Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share the latest news we have on immigration. I sued for courthouse arrest of immigrants. So I sued for arresting immigrants at courthouse hearings. We would like to really talk about this because this has been really affecting so many individuals who are actually in the removal process and they have their case at immigration court. And we believe this is really important development for especially those individuals to know. ICE actually is being sued in multiple federal courts for arresting immigrants inside or outside immigration courtrooms right after their hearings. Advocates call it a courthouse trap strategy, and several lawsuits now aim to stop it nationwide. I would like to first start what's happening, so I would like our followers to know about it. Since May 2025, DHS attorneys have been asking judges to dismiss cases mid-hearing, citing vague changes in eligibility. Immediately after their dismissals, ICE officers, sometimes waiting in the courthouse lobbies, arrest these immigrants and place them in expedited removal and often block access to legal counsel. In many cases, these immigrants had complied with all the requirements, having no criminal records, having pending asylum claims, or active renewals. Now we see finally within the last 2 months of this ICE arrest at immigration court hearings, there are now multiple active lawsuits challenging this practice. One first of them is the class action lawsuit at the DC District Court filed July 16, 2025 by National Immigrant Justice Center, American Getaways, and other advocacy groups. Plaintiffs represent immigrants who appear in court and were arrested on site, sometimes after judges dismissed their cases without their consent. This suit actually names ICE, Department of Homeland Security based at DHS, Department of Justice, DOJ, and EOIR, which is the immigration court system. And legal claims including this lawsuit says Fifth Amendment due process violations, unlawful agency actions under the Administrative Procedure Act, violations of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Second court case is individual filing Oliver Mata Velasquez case, which is at the Western District of New York, filed by NYCLU and Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights, represent a 19-year-old asylum seeker lawfully paroled in the U.S. who was arrested in Buffalo courthouse after complying fully with the courthouse procedure. The complaint alleges Fourth Amendment violations, unlawful seizure, Fifth Amendment violations. ICE used courthouse spaces to ambush non-citizens with no criminal background. And the relief sought in this lawsuit, immediate release and judicial ban on courthouse arrests. So who is affected with these lawsuits will be important. These lawsuits aim to protect a large group of immigrants. Anyone who appeared for court after January 21st, 2025 was arrested inside or near the court or had their hearing dismissed in a way that enabled ICE to detain them. And this includes asylum seekers, TPS, DACA recipients with pending renewals, and lawful residents defending removal cases, many without attorneys. Historically, immigration courts were sensitive locations and ICE avoided enforcement there. But this shift means court attendance now increases risk of detention. Advocates argue the system has been manipulated to generate arrests, undermining fairness, justice, and legal access. The class action case could be certified this fall. Judges may issue injunctions to block ICE from arresting people at or near courts. These lawsuits could set national precedent about limits on immigration enforcement, tactics, and protection for court participants. Today's video, I believe, is very crucial and important for our followers, especially for the ones who are actually immigration removal proceedings. We get so many calls from our followers or our clients that they're worried if something will happen to them at their next court hearings, at immigration court hearings. So this is why we believe this is really important development, and we're hoping that out of those cases there will be injunction that will stop ICE actually doing the arrests at immigration court hearings where actually immigrants trying to abide the rules and follow the procedures. I hope our video today helps our followers. Have a great day. This is attorney Ogmen.